That's why I have a helicopter now. I just go around and around.
Budoy, ano yung hinihila mo? Nasisiraan ka na ba ng ulo? Espada to, malamang ikaw ang sira ulo. How did you get that? You know, I just borrowed it. Still not enough for my dream. Crazy.
Your own. Yeah. Budoy, are you getting tired of the sea? Where are you heading going to Manila now?
Yes. Elias just called me through the wind. He said we've got a concert.
Budoy, what's one thing you'll never forget about Tatay Digong?
That time I was just walking, turned out to be a bad idea. I almost got tokhangit, you know what I mean?
Budoy, may Ilyas dance moves ka pa ba? Nandito lang ako, gumagabay sa'yo. Huwag kang mangamba, tuloy lang sa agos. Oh, wahay, yeah. Budoy, pag tinalo mo ako sa showdown, si Beverly ay magiging sa'yo. Sige, wala namang ikang pagpipilian, gawin na natin to, Ilyas. Oh, hahay. Budoy, may Ilyas dance moves ka pa ba? Nandito lang ako, gumagabay sa'yo. Huwag kang mangamba, tuloy lang sa agos. Oh, wahay, yeah. Oh, wahay, yeah.
Budoy, totoo ba na dati kang sikat at nag-viral?
Oo, totoo lahat yun.
Budoy, totoo ba na pagkatapos doon, sumama na sa'yo si Beverly? Gusto mo makita? Huwag na, baka agawin mo pa. Akin lang si Beverly. Oh, hahay. Ganun talaga pag adik. Ay, pag pogi pala. Oo, totoo lahat yan. Kasama ko lang siya kanina. Gusto mo makita? Budoy, may Ilyas dance moves ka pa ba? Nandito lang ako, gumagabay sa'yo. Huwag kang mangamba, tuloy lang sa agos. Oh, wahay, yeah. Oh, wahay, yeah.
Budoy, do you still have those Ilias dance moves?
Budoy, do you still have those Ilyas dance moves? Oh, ha, ha, ha! Budoy, may Ilyas dance moves ka pa ba? Nandito lang ako, gumagabay sa'yo. Huwag kang mangamba, tuloy lang sa agos. Oh, wahay, yeah! Budoy, sa tingin mo kaya mong tapatan si Elias sa kantahan at sayawan?
Nako, hindi. Baka pag kumanta't sumayaw ako, ma-inlove pa sa akin yung jowa yung si Beverly.
Budoy, do you think you can challenge Elias in singing and dancing?
No way. If I start singing and dancing, his girl Beverly might fall for me.
Budoy, bakit ka nagtatago dito sa ilalim ng tubig? Kahit dito, natuntun mo pa rin ako. Ang galing ng locator mo. Kaya, oh, ha!
So this is where you've been, Budoy? Even in the ocean, there's patrol now? So this is where you've been hiding, Budoy? Even here in the ocean, there are patrols too.
No matter where you go, I'll find you, Budoy. Even down here in the ocean, you're still following me.